to Sir Isaac Newton's three laws of motion. Previously, a couple minutes ago, we talked about the first and second laws of motion. Time for the third law of motion. A lot of people think that this law is the hardest to understand out of the three, but in my opinion, it's actually quite easy. The second law I thought was the hardest. The first law is definitely the easiest to understand. So basically, the public thinks that the first law is the easiest, the second law is sort of easy, and the third one's the hardest. In my opinion, the first law is the easiest, third law is second easy, and the second law is the hardest. But let me just go back on topic. So basically, this is the third law of Sir Isaac Newton, one of the greatest scientists who ever lived. So basically, the third law states that when an object asserts a force on another object, the other object will assert an equal and opposite force on the first object. So basically, the first object is called the action force, and the second one is called reaction force. Let me explain to this to you. The reason why I have gloves on because I'm allergic to latex. These are non-latex gloves, and this is a latex balloon. So basically, this is a balloon with air in it. Carbon dioxide, actually. I did not blow up this balloon before I would got reaction. Force. Basically, I'm going to release this balloon and see what happens. So when I released that one in the balloon, the carbon dioxide went that way while the balloon went that way. So the carbon dioxide exited through the balloon, and it had to exert an equal and opposite force on the balloon, so the balloon went that way. Another way to explain this is by a rowboat. Even though I don't have a rowboat here because there's no water here, I'm doing it the best I can visually. So I'm in a rowboat. I'm swimming, I caught a couple of fish, and it's nighttime and I want to eat them. So I'm rowing all the way back to the shore. I jump off the boat. Since I'm going that way, I was still in contact with the rowboat, so the rowboat went back that way. An easier way to explain this one would be through a skateboard. While my extras get the skateboard, let me do a little funny dance. Thank you. SpongeBob! Okay. So I am just skateboarding around. I'm not really good at skateboarding, so I decided to go off. I haven't been out skateboarding in years. So while I tried to go off that, my force went that way while the skateboard went that way. So, a lot of people, the reason why this one is probably the hardest is because Sir Isaac Newton had a hard time explaining what causes it. But since nowadays we know what causes it, it's basically quite easy to understand. So basically, my inertia is basically the equal and opposite to the skateboard's inertia. So I would say that about concludes my three laws of motion by Sir Isaac Newton, who was one of the greatest scientists who ever lived. So this is my extra credit for Mr. Tom's second period science class at Lee Bornstein Middle School, and let's just say bye. I hope I got a good grade on this extra credit project. Bye!